I would like to introduce this CLAYCRAFT by DECO Lucent clay. This Lucent clay is a very unique clay. It comes in a white and it comes with a really tight saran wrap like this. And when you keep the clay, make sure you keep inside the saran wrap, not in a wet paper towel. Otherwise it gets very sticky. And when you use this clay, you have to use the lotion. Make sure you use a lot of lotion in your hands, otherwise the clay will stick to your hands. So you use the lotion and then knead really well. To make a translucent like this, all you need is adding acrylic paint. For example, like a lemon slice like this, you need a tiny little clay, the paint color, and you mix it together. Really light color, still comes out really dark when it's dry. So you mix it together and you make really thin. And the more you make thinner, everything will be translucent. And it's a very unique clay that it comes to be translucent like this. This is like a type of little flowers. Watermelon like this. All this lemon is made from this Lucent clay. And you can't paint after everything dry with acrylic brush and paint. And after everything dry, if you want to make it shiny like this, all you need is add the semi-gloss. And to keep the clay, make sure you wrap and store the clay in a Ziploc bag. Enjoy!